Hey guys, this is Greg with Cars, Craps, and Travels. We're in Cincinnati, Ohio, and it's almost the 25th of December. It's going to be a quick in and out. I'm going to call this the car wash paycheck debacle. Hopefully I do something with it. It's not that much. I got $70 in the machine. It's a $5 minimum. And it's a hard 6 right now. That's up on when I came on. We're going with the $3 and then the 5, 6, 8 in the field. And that is a, let's see, $7 bet. Let's go. I wished myself. Let's go ahead and get started. First roll is a 5. We're going to repeat that last bet for three bets. The point is 5. Let's go. I won 45 cents. And it's back out and double up on the 5. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and repeat last bet. Turn it on. I'm going to go ahead and say we got $66.90 with a $7 bet. Here we go. It's much easier down here. You got the 3. We're playing a lucky roller. We haven't really hit any numbers. We're going to go ahead and repeat that last bet. Repeat the last bet. I'm going to go ahead and press a 6. And it's now an $8 bet. 10, and it came hard. That's my favorite if I wanted to bet one single number. Okay. We're at $67.90. One more, and that's going to be it for the time being. That's an easy 10. So we're going to go ahead and clear the bet. We're at $73.90. We're going to go with the $4 inside. And that's got us at $69.90. I'm going to go ahead and throw one in the field. Let's go. Got that 6. We're going to repeat it. 4, and it came hard. All right. I'm going to go ahead and, this is pretty battle tested. I'm going to go across, and we're just going to let them roll. We need the 2. And there's the 6. This is what we're looking at right now, guys. We're at $70 with it. I'm going to go ahead and go across, taking them all. We're down to $67, but all we need is a 2, and that's the only one we don't have covered. And that's a 6 again. So we're officially doing okay. I'm going to pull down that 12. We're at $69 with an $11 bet, and there's the 11. I think that those, I really think that those are going to come. I pulled down that 11, it came down on its own, and there's a 7. So we got $73 in, which is up $3. We're going to go ahead and play the all-tall small again. We're going to go with the 5, 6, 8 in the field as a base bet. It's always $7 pretty much at least. There's that 5. They didn't get the 2, so I'm going to bet the 2 and 12. And I'm going to go ahead and keep that 5. Nothing on it. So that's down to $61. There's that 12. You knew it was going to come. I usually try to reserve the 2 and 12 for a minute. I'm going to get that. But $66 with a $13 bet. Let's see if we can do something. We had a pretty good roll last time. We just didn't capitalize. And there's that 7. I knew we're on borrowed time, as it always is. But we're going to come out. We're going to play across the all-tall small for $1. We saw one hard 10. I'm going to play the hard 10 I'm gonna play the 10. No, I'm gonna play the field. 5, 6, and 8 with that hard 10. So that's a $8 bet. There's that 6. We're gonna go with a $13 bet, but this is how we're going to roll with this. It's going to be a concentration on field numbers, you would say. Let's see what we get. There's 1. That drops at 9, but that's okay. I'm going to play it like that. 57 in, $12 bet. There's that 10, so you get double paid again. Let's go ahead and clear that last bet. We're at $68. I'm going to go ahead and we're at $62. We really didn't capitalize on those 2s and 12s, but that's okay. There's the 8. Classic small iron cross. Classic small iron cross. We're going to press that 5. So it's a $10 bet really. There's the 3. It pays, but it doesn't do nothing really for us. Let's go. There's that 4. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and buy the 9 with that. And that 10, hard 10 after I blew it. That's okay. Still pays. We got an $11 bet. I'm going to go ahead and clear it. We're going to do the basic, I got a 62, $13 bet, $1 cross all the way, and they all draw small. I took the 9. We're going to go ahead and repeat that 9. We're going to play the same bet last bet. It's the 11. I have faith in those. Let's see. I'm going to repeat the last bet. We're up to $67. We just need the 12, so I'm going to pull the 12. So let's go. I'm going to just try to press from here, maybe. There's the 3. Repeat that last bet. We're at 70, and all we need is the 2, 5, and 12. Oh shoot, there's the 11. We're realizing a profit right now. That 11 has hit a couple of times. I really should go up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up on that 4, $1. It's a $13 bet total. There's a 6. Came easy. We're going to clear that last bet. This is what it looks like from the top. We only need $2 more for the minimum bet. I'm going to still go ahead and play that 6 and 8. Let's go. There's the 10. We didn't do any damage with that. We didn't lose on the hard 10 because we didn't play it. Alright. We just need the 12. So we're going to go across. And we're going to go up on that 5 again. So it's a $13 bet. Come on, 12. There's that 5, 2. We're through. Well, I'm going to go with the all-tall small. I'm going to go heavy on the 2 and 12. I'm going to go 5, 6, 8 in the field. That's an $11 bet. And we're down to $63 in the kitty. Came out with a 5. The point is 5. We're going to repeat the last. No, what we're going to do is we're going to pull that 5 down. This is what we look like. $12 bet, 62 in, no 5. We're just going to repeat this bet. There's that 2. Nice. Finally figured out something that worked. Okay, here we go. don't need to do that anymore. We're going to go ahead and pull that down, clear the bets. We're going to go across. That's a $13 bet. We're at $75. So I'm going to go ahead and play the hard 10 and the hard 4. That's a $17 bet. We're down to 71, but we're in a profit. We pressed at 8 to 2. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and press the 4 and the 10. And then I don't feel bad at all. We're at $71. Let's just press it $1 each time if I can. Nope. Pretty good short. We're going to go with $1 chrono. Although small. I'm not really sniffing it. I don't think we've seen enough of these. So I'm just going to play that $7 bet. I'm going to be hunting for the extremes. It didn't really do anything. We lost maybe 13 cents. Okay, so we're going across that standard $13 bet. They're down to $58. Let's see if we can do something. 8. We'll take it 3 times. With 3, we'll take it. We're going to rebet it. The third one is the 12. Awesome. We're going to clear this bet. We're at $78 in the kitty, so we're going to go ahead and take everything but the 2 and 12. And I'm going to take the 2 and 12. Screw it. We're at $68. Let's not mush it. 6 is the point. We're gonna turn them on and go ahead and run it. We're at $69. And it comes out at 9. The point is 9. We're going to clear that last bet. I want to play a $14 bet. It's $3 all tall small, but we're going hunting for the extremes. That was a bad move. That was a bad move. I admit. It's going to go $1 across the all tall small. We're going to do the old-fashioned $4, $7 bet. As they say. Okay, I see how you are. Okay, I see how you are. Okay. We're going to go with the $3 pass line. The $10 bet. Come on, hit something. Give me a point. There's that 4. We don't need no odds. We're going to go ahead and do all of them. Down to $49 with the quickness, right? It's a $15 bet. I should have gone $15 on some of the other ones, but not this one. There's that 5. I'm just collecting and same betting at $50. 8, it came hard. $5. Okay, we're going to clear that bet. Okay, what do we have? Oh, the 4. Okay, we're going to go. A $14 bet. 54 in. 6, and it came hard. Excellent. That's fine. That was dumb. I'm going to buy the 2 and let's go. We got them all covered at $54. There's the 11. We're going to repeat that last bet one more time. There's the 11. Well done. We're going to let that fall. That's 2 11s in a row. I don't see it again. There's the 8. Gonna clear that bet. We're at $70. All right. And dang on it, there's that 4. All right, so we're going to play it like this then, you son of a gun. We're going to go just... Dang on. We're down to a $64 bet, and we're going to play it hard on those. Oh, we won the 4. We won that pass line for real. Okay, let's go ahead and set the bets on and clear it. We're at $77. I got lucky. Okay, we're going to go with the base $7 bet. We got 73 in. Oh, and that 4 came hard again. Holy shit. Okay, that's 2 in a row. So, I know I'm dumb. I'm going to buy the 4 and then I'm going to buy the hard 4 again just in case. Well, duh. Put it paid off in the field. Let's go ahead and set the bets on. Clear it. We're at $79. I really should end this video, but I'm not going to because I'm a degenerate. Okay, we're going to go and get the standard come out. The $7 come out. Let's go. Got the 9. Got the 9. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to keep it close to the vest. This might be the hand that we could leave on. Okay, we're at $70. We got a $13 bet, and we got the 2, so we now need the 3. So I'm going to take that 3 down. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the 5, 6, and 8 for another $1. We're at $74. Come on, baby. We need the 3. Well, we got the 1, 6. Dag on it. So close I should have left. Okay, here we go. I still think that these extremes are going to do something, so I'm going to go with the $7 bet like that instead. Well, it's a 7. I'm going to repeat that last bet. I'm going to set it on. Let's see what we get. I got the old 6, but that's alright. I'm not deterred from... We're at 13. We're going to go ahead and make that a $16 bet. We're down to 51, so let's not mush ourselves. Picked up the 639. I'm going to go ahead and pull down that 2 and 12. So we're going to have $14 bet. 5 in. 6 and the 9. The 9 come back to haunt me. Well done, 9. Well done. Alright, that's one way of saying let's clear that last bet and we're just going to go across. For 57, we're just going to go across. We're going to try to make this in my hand. I should never. Okay, we're going with the $1 across on the also small. I'm going to go ahead with the $3 pass line. And then this other 7, so it's a $10 bet. Out on the 6. No odds on that needed. My friend, though. I'm going to pull that down into the field like that. I'm going to press $1 on the 8 and the 5. That's an $11 bet when you look at it. And that's more than sufficient because I'm down to $46. Let's see if we can make something happen. There's the 9. We're going to repeat that bet. We're going to try the side presser. There's the 8. We're going to repeat that bet. We're going to press hit the roll. There's 7. I'm beginning to think that this might be when I should probably end the video. We're at 19 minutes. We will play one more conservative hand. go with it. I'm going to increase the ultra small to 212, and then at dollars on that, it's a $9 bet. We're down to $39, which is more than I would have anticipated. Let's go see if we can make a couple bucks. 4 and it came home. So down to $34 really, because I'm just going to play them across. And that's a nice little walk away. The 9. We're going to leave the 9 down. Let's see if we can make another $1. Nope. Could not do it. But I'm determined. I should be leaving. But I ain't leaving. Because I'm a degenerate and we're only at 21 minutes. Degen. Bets are on. Alright, dang it. That just means one thing. We're going to go all the way across. I'm going to walk away with $20 because I got $21 left in there. A $16 bet. All of them across. I'll probably mush myself, but I got $20 walking home. There's a 3. That's the point. I knew it. You freaks. So we're going to clear that last bet. And we're going to go across. No, we're going to go, yeah, we're going to go $1 across everything. So, we got 27 taken home. And this is to come out. It's a 6. I'm repeating that last bet. The 4 and it came easy. That's cool. We're going to repeat. We're at $31 taken home. Yes, the 2. All we need is the 5, Mother Hubbards. Let's see if we can get that 5 before we get out of here. Nope. I was sure we could make a 5. So, are we degenerates? Yes. I'm going to bet 5 on the 5. Down to $30. Couldn't get the 5 on the last one. Let's get 5 on this one. There's the 11. Okay. Oh, I was going with the 5s across like a freak. Alright, we're down to $25. You sucked me into this. 8 ball. Down to $24. No! We press up for 6 and 8. The hell with it. There's that 12. Okay, now I have fresh hope. Fresh fucking hope. Clear last bet. Clear. We're going with the ye old $9 bet. We're going to try to just fish this out. There's the 3. Repeat last bet. Let's go. We're up to $37. There's the 12 again, and I had pulled it down, but that's okay. Because I had pulled it, covered it with the field. Let's go. That got me to $39. Those antics. We're still at only 24 minutes. So, we're going to go with $1 across on the Alto Small. We're going to go with the old... This is a $9 bet. I got $30 in the kitty. Hard 6. I'm going to buy the 3 with that 6. So we're going to buy the 11. We're at $30.43 to walk out with. Yes, we didn't buy the 2. You idiot. They'll never roll it again. So they say. 8. We're going to collect. I'm going to put $1 on the 12. We're at a $12 bet. And of course, we roll the 2-5, the 5-2. You're all through. Okay, one more time. We're going to go across the all-tall small. We're going to get the 5-6-8 and fielder. I'm going to play this one like a 5-6-8 fielder this time. We're at $22, and we're just going to keep on repeating this bet. There's a freaking 12. That's fine. Wow. We're down to $24. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Probably. We're going to go with the $9 bet. We're going to go $15 home. Press the $5. There's the 9. That 9 fell and I put it in the field. We got $17 to take home. I pressed the 5 to 2, so that's good. Got that 9 back. Okay, we got $21 for taking home. We just pick out the 5 again. We're going to go with a no 5 in the system now. We got 22 in. There's the 10. Slowly but surely going to lose. There's that 5, the no 5, 5. You suck. We're going to play it again with no 5. Oh, and no field apparently. You are dumb. We're going to play the field. We're going to play the 5 this time because whatever, $21. No harm, no foul. There's that 4 and I got it back. You suck. Yahoo. Yahoo. This is not very analytical, I'll tell you that. There's the 6 and that was the point. We're going to set the bets on. Then we'll go clear it. We're at $29. We're within reach of that $70 if we hit something. All right. We're going to play the 5, 6, 8, 9. You can go for it. We got $25 we can take home. There's the 9. You are lucky. So, I'm going to make that a $9 bet. Since it was the 9s, all the 9s. But I didn't take the 9. And there's that hard 10. Nice. They're just doing some damage now. Let's try it. There's that 4. Come back. 27 taken home. There's the 4 again. Holy shit. I don't care. Just keep on doing it. I'll take the field win. There's that 9. That was the point. Setting the bets on. I'm going to go ahead and clear it. We're at $35. I'm just going to go with the 6 and 8. See what happens. There's that 7. Nice time to pull down. Let's go ahead and go $1 across. And we're going to go do the 5, 6, 8 field. We're at $26 in the house. There's the 3. We were missing that the last time, of course. So, got $27. I'm going to play the play a $10 bet. It's heavy field. Down to $24. Let's do it. There's a 5. We're going to rebet it. Repeat. The 6, we're going to repeat. That's $24. And there's a 7. We're going to repeat that last bet. And this one we're going to run the $9, $15 per bet. For 3, we didn't need it. We don't want it. There's that 4. I'm going to repeat. I'm going to get the 2 and the 11 and 12. And I'll drop that 4 down right off. Even though they've been hitting. There's 4 again. I'm going to buy the 4 for $1. We're down to $15. I do not have the 3 and I do not have the 12. There's the 8. I'm going to pick up the 12 before I lose my mind. And it's down to $16. There's a 6. Down to $17. There's that 5. We just need the 2, so I'm going to buy the 3. Let's go. Let's get that 2. There's the 11. We're just going to repeat it. Get that 2. Feel good about ourselves. There's a 9. I'm going to repeat that bet. Let's feel good about that 2. We're at 24. There's the 8. We're at 24. No, come on, 2. There's the 8. There's a lot of 6s and 8s, but I'm on a low budget, bro. There's a 3. That was the point. Damn, they dodged that son of a gun, didn't they? And clear it. 37, 5, 6, 6 field. 5, 6, 8 field, okay. There's that freaking hard 10. We just need the 2 and 12, so you know that means we should go off. But we're going $1 across. We need the 2 and 12. This is what we came for. We got 30 in, we're going to leave. There's the 8. This is why we came $30. We spent $40. There's the 5. Oh, we're not waiting. We're not going to mush it. Come on. Oh, we didn't get the 5 there. There's that hard 4. There's a 9. We're going to clear the last bet. We're just going to do the old $9 bet. We're at $38. Let's try to get that to a 12. Let's see. There's the 8. We're at $38. There's the 4. We're just collecting. At 39. Come on, 2. Come on, 12. There's the 3 again. It's just a mirage. Come on, baby. There's the 10. That was the point. We're going to clear it. We're going with that 4. Total $7 bet. We got 44, so it's cost us $30 to come in and play. There's that 6. We need a 2 and 12, so we're going to buy everything. We're at $40. It costs us $30 to play today. Thank you guys for listening. Come on, 2. Come on, 12. There's the 11. Daggone. Okay, I gotta get serious about this, so. Okay, we're at $43. 2 and 12, baby, 2 and 12. I'm not even gonna look. Yeah, I'm gonna look. You know I'm gonna look. You know I'm gonna freaking look. You know I'm gonna look. Damn you. Okay, crazy. So we're going to go one more hand. And we're going to go 5, 6, 8 field. As we always do, it's a $7 bet. And it's a 7. One more time, baby. That was a miraculous roll. So, and it was marked by the hard 10. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and go all the way. We didn't get a 2 or 12 forever. So, let's see if we can hit one. We're down to $22. Damn, that 2 ran right past it. We're at $24. We're at $28. I'm going to go ahead and pull the 2 and 12 down and add $1. So here it's a $12 bet. $13 bet with the ATS because I'm going to buy them all, whatever. There's that 5. Now we're going to play it without the 5 for $33. There's that 3. We're going to clear the last bet. We got a $10 bet. We're at $38. Let's go. There's that 10. Came easy. You know what we're going to do? We're going to pull that 9. And we're just going to do the old. We press that 6 and 10, or 6 and 8. We're going to repeat and we're going to press what hits. And that's it. We're at $40. There's a 9. We're going to buy the 9 for $1, I think. We're at $40 still. There's the 8. We're going to put that field back out there at $41. And there's the 4. We're going to clear that. And we're going to go across. Okay, we're at $40 and we got a $13 bet. It's all low roller stuff. Let's go. We've been lucky, so we're going to do it again. Down to $27. Let's run it. We're going to press the first 3. We're pressing the 8. We're at $27 still. Well, we got a 3, so we're not going to press a 3, but you will press a 6 and 8. We're going to go like this. We're going to do the power fielders. We're at 31. There's that 6. We're going to press repeat and go at $32. We were at $32. Okay, we're going to run it down like this. We're at $19. Repeat, last bet was a $13 bet. Got the hard 8. But really, what happens is we're going to press the 6 and the 5. And $19 taken home. There's the 11. There's the 5. So we're going to go ahead and play it across like this. It's a $15 bet. And I only got $23 left and no hope. There's the 3. Repeat that last bet. There's the 6. There's a $2 6. So I'm going to go ahead and press the 5 of $1 and brought the 6 to $1. There's that 4. Okay. $29 in, and this is what the bet looks like. Kind of heavy again. We'll see. $16 out there. $29 coming home. Maybe. We're going to try it again one more time. With that $13, we're coming out. No point. $16 bet, and there's that 2. You suck, dude. You know what? That was the sign just to go ahead and go across. We'll leave at $13. Screw it. $5. We had 2. We're going to bring it down to 1. There's the 3. We're going to rebuy that. There's a 9. We're at $23 because that 9 falls. Look, this is what we're looking at. Not to mush myself, but I'm going to mush myself. I'm going to pull down that 2 and 12, and I'm going to run that fielder. The point is too, so I'm going to run it. That 9 fell, but that's okay. I'm going to press a, oh shit, I'm going to put the 5 at 3. It's at $23 and we can walk. The 11, which is good, we get double dip. We're at $27. We don't have a 2 or 12, and there's that 12. What do you know? There's that 12, and I didn't have nothing on it, but that's okay. It's low roller time. There's a 5 for $3. I'm going to bring that 5 down to 1. We got 33 in the banker. And that's a 6, 1, 7. We're going to repeat that last bet. We have $18 in. Oh. 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 We're going to repeat that last bet. That last bet, and it gives us nothing. So, this is our last roll, guys. 6, it came hard. 2 more rolls and we're out. 6. Again. So we're going to go ahead and we got $7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And it's on, so whatever. There's that 10. We'll clear that last bet. We're going to go ahead and play them across with the 2 and 12. No 2, 12, we're at $18. There's a 5. We're going to go ahead and pull it down. This is what we're looking at. Mush City. There's that 4. We moved it to the 4 from that 10. So there we go with that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and play the... what you can do now is just... I'm at $20. Let's just press up what we got. There's the 8 and it came hard. We went across it except for the 2 and 12. We're at 23. 1 more and then we're going to break it down. There's the 3. So all we need is a 2. So we're going to clear it. We're going to go with everything but the 2. Why not? We got $28. Let's get that 2 one time. Well, there it is. There's a 4-1. Let's go. Is it going to pull up the 1-1 now? No, it didn't. But it's going to pull up the 1-1 now. Is it going to pull up the 1-1 now? Is it going to pull up the 1-1 now? We're 31. Nope. Red 31, they could not do anything with those extremes. So we're going with just the extreme hunting. Come out is the 8. So we got a $13 bet. We're down to $18. We're going to press the inside out. The 4 is going to go ahead and get repeat, but we're going to press up the 2, or the 3, I mean, because we're going to press it 1 down out. There's the 6. We're going to press the 2. We still have an $18 bet. There's the 12. So we're going to reset. We're going to reset because it got one of our extremes hit. We're at 27 with a $13 bet. There's the 10. There's the hard 10. God darn it. Okay, I've seen that happen before. So we're at 31. I'm going to put $1 on that hard 10. We're down to $30. Well, it costs us $40 to play. Oh, it costs us $40 to play. Well. Let's welcome back Mr. Repeat Bet. We're down to $17 again. We ain't moving. All we're going to do is press. That was an 8. We're going to press the 8-1. We're at $17. That was a 6. We're going to press a 6-1. Oops. Okay, now we're at a point where we can press 2. But I lied. So we're going to repeat last bet. We're down to $3. I don't like that. So we're going to turn them on, and we're going to put 2 on the pass line. We're going to come out. We're going to come out firing, bro. As they say, there's a 12. Nice. No odds. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and we got $9. What a waste. So we're going to go ahead and press up everything. Shit, what happens? Oh yeah, press it up on the right time. There's we're at $13. Holy crap. Oh, and I got the 2. Oh shit. Okay. With that, what we're going to do is we're going to buy them all across. It's going to be $18 bet because we're going to have 2 on the 5 and 6, 8. Let's just see what we can get out of this. Nothing. Good Lord, that was a good time to get that 12 there. Okay. We're degenerates, so we're going to do the 5, 6, 8 field. Turn it on. We're down to $10, guys. There's the 10. What do you know? We're going to play them all but the 2 and the 12. Let's go. At 8, so I'm going to press the 12 up to $1. We're at $7.91. There's the 8 again. So I'm going to go ahead and press the 5. There's the 3. So I'm going to move that 3 to the 2 for a quick second. Hopefully it doesn't hit again right off rip. Nope. There you go. $11, bro. $11 in the kitty. So we're going to go do this. We are down to 2 frickin' cents. It has become the debacle I predicted. Yahoo! Come on, come out. And guys, thank you for the 50-minute video. Appreciate your time.